Okay, so today we're talking about business. What do you think is a business? To you, what is a business? Like, have you ever thought about building a business? If you have, what were the initial steps you took before starting your business? Because to me, I think the number one thing is finding a problem. And now, how do you find this problem? You should first of all find the people you are going to sell that problem, or maybe people that you know that have that problem, and then sell the solution to them. Because without those people, you're just looking for artificial problem. It's not a problem again now. Because if there are no people, if there's nobody having the problem, then why is it a problem? It's not a problem. So first of all, I think the first thing is finding, as in looking at a set of people and figuring out, okay, look at the problem these people have. And then after that, we now go to the stage of finding a solution if there's not already an existing one. And if there is an existing one, you find out where that existing one is lagging. Why? Because you still saw it as a problem. That means the solution that is already there is not working. So that is where your own business comes in. And now, what do you have to do as a business person? So I believe it's more of, first of all, credibility. You have to figure out, or you have to make them believe that yours can handle their problem, can provide a better solution than what they're already seeing or what they're already doing. Am I making sense? So I think that's stage one. Well, I just have this, I just like, let's say, analyzing business. So imagine that today, just imagine, today I went outside, just my street. I was just walking down the street, and then I saw this woman. Do you know what she's selling? She's selling banana. Oh, you didn't expect it. Yes, she's selling banana. But do you know my problem with her? Who can guess? She's selling banana without granules. Hey, how do you do business like that? How can you sell banana without granules? Hey! So I didn't even know. I was just looking. I was like, so if I buy this banana, I'll go there and buy granules. Or is it one day I went somewhere at night? Like I went to get mishai. If you're a student, you should know what mishai is. So I went to get mishai. So I was coming back. I saw popcorn. So I said, let me buy popcorn, but there was no granule taking. Ha! But this one that she told me that her granule has finished. But I was like, why can't you just go down the street, buy granule and come back here for us to